whatever we do by our attachment, you know, for our relative, our wealth, whatever, our fame, our names, our positions. We want so many things. This is called attachment, you know. And the things happens what we want, then we become happy. In this way, we get satisfied from those things which happens in our way, my way. That is attachment. And secondly, when the things doesn't happen in our way, in my way, then we get angry, hate, whatever the things is stopping us to happen what I think. Those are stopping our, like somebody stops to make money, or somebody tortures our relatives, or somebody beat our relatives, somebody kills our relatives, somebody argue with our relatives, or somebody steal our things, you know, somebody try to harm our wealth. Then we get angry towards them, you know, we hate them, and that is anger, you know, angry, hatred. So these two, attachment and hatred, comes in same time. One side attachment and another side the anger. So by this way we are lost in this world by doing such things. We think we are not lost, we think we are doing very well, but actually I think we are lost in this deep samsara or deep ocean. So if somebody else, are you lost? What will our answer will come? I think we are not lost, right? Our answer should be like this: we are not lost. Who will accept this? We are lost. No, nobody will accept this. Actually, this is because we cannot answer we are lost. Because this is reality. We are very weak to accept the reality. That's why we cannot answer we are lost. Actually we are lost. Because in this attachment and anger from here, then it is like a darkness. We forget what to discard and what to adopt. We forget all those things. We just follow, keep going and going by attachment and by anger. We don't know actually what are we doing in this samsara. You know, we just follow those, our attachment and our hatred. Just they are ordering us. Just we follow them. So that's why we are lost. It means we are just in the darkness. We are not in the light. So that's why we have to get light. That light is the Buddha's wisdom. So now we are undergoing with the attachment and hatred, and that means we are in the darkness of this samsara. So we forget all those good things which is help us in future or in where we get enlightenment. We just forget that what to discard those disturbing emotions, those those negative things. So that's why we are lost. We just forget all those good things and we just run away, we just go. That's why we are lost. That is reality. Once a time, Angulimala was chasing Buddha and Buddha was just preceding him. And Angulimala ran very fast, but he couldn't reach to the Buddha. So lastly he tried and said, "Hey monk, wait. Hey monk, wait." Right, actually the word is stop. Hey monk, stop. So then Buddha just looked at Angulimala and said, "You stop. Angulimala, I am already stopped." This is very huge message for us, I think, in these days. We have to stop something. We have to stop this undergoing with this darkness, by order of the attachment and hatred. We are in the darkness of these two. So we think we are not lost. Actually, we are lost. Like Buddha said to Angulimala, I already stopped, and now your turn to stop. It means Angulimala is going hated, killing people in that. If we ask Angulimala, are you lost? He never say I am lost, because he didn't realize that he is lost. Then Buddha gave him the knowledge, then he realized after that, then he get liberation after that. So it means we are also not that aggressive, but in kind of that we attach towards those mundane things, and we hated other things. So between there, we are lost there. So we have to wake up. We are just dreaming something, we are dreaming hatred and attachment, those and this and that. So we are just hanging on this world. So that's why just wake up. I should say, wake up. This is time us to wake up. Like Buddha said, Angulimala, stop. Right? So this is our time to wake up and to practice. We have to leave those disturbing places, those negative places, those harmful places. Harmful means if you want to practice genuinely, we have to abandon those harmful places, harmful things, not only place, not only country, all those disturbing us things, all those things we have to just leave them away. So in this way, gradually our three poisons will diminish. It will wash away, because we are not in the trigger of those harming places or those harming things. So we are just get away from there. We are just abandoning those things. That's where the first line says, when harmful places are abandoned, disturbing emotions gradually diminish.